From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley on today's Cash Close. The name of this video, S&P 2000 back and fill. The high of the day in the S&P came in at 200,160 recently. The low came in at 1992.70 mid-morning, and last we're 20.00 half last. We're up 3.8 handles on the day. Total volume, we've got 900,000 minis traded and 1.6 thousand big S&Ps traded in the pit. MOC, I was talking about a little rip on the close, and somebody hit me up with the Twitter and said, oh, two-handle rip, is that what you're talking about? No, I'm not. MOC, by $1 billion. Now, I want to talk, we'll talk a little bit about the stats in a minute, but look at, there was a decent little rally here late in the day. And I think a lot of this geopolitical stuff that's going on, the S&P is kind of overlooking it. Now Monday, as we all know, Monday the markets are closed for the U.S. holiday Labor Day. But the rest of the week is actually packed. We've got 25 economic reports. We've got 11 T-bill or T-bond auctions or announcements. We've got 5 bank Fed presidents speaking, and we've got the jobs number on Friday. Now look, it was a little rip here late in the day on Friday. I came out on Twitter and I said that the S&P was holding at the 1997.5, 98 level. They did a little late sell program, and then the futures started going back up. Brian Shepard on the floor was talking about some type of rebalance. We really couldn't get any information on it, but I suspect that that billion has to do with money going into at the end of the month, as we'll see some of that going into the beginning of the month. Now look, what I kind of want to talk about here are levels on the upside. Now, I really firmly believe that if the S&P can get back above 20.004, that we've got a clear shot to the 2012 and 2018 level. And with everybody kind of taking time off, I don't suspect that everybody will be back at work right away early next week, and maybe not even throughout the whole week. I still think that there's a lot of vacation time coming in here. But again, I think the big point about this is that we've got a lot of economic reports next week, and then it ties off with the jobs number on Friday. That said, I've been calling the market higher. I know that it's due for a pullback, but I also said that I thought that the S&P would have to trade above and below the 2,000 mark before it started to go higher again. And I'm getting to